journey management plan and road safety rules. Don't learn safety by accident. Follow the prescribed safe journey management plan and road safety rules. Buckle up before you start your journey. It could save your life. Stop. Don't take a risk. Drivers are required to refuse to transport passengers who will not fasten their seatbelts and their vehicle is not authorized to move. When used properly, seatbelts reduce the number of serious traffic injuries by 50% and fatalities by 60 to 70%. Most road traffic accidents happen in bad weather. To ensure your safety, you should always have 100 meters of clear vision. Stay within the speed limit. Take care on the road. Buckle up. Don't talk on a mobile phone while driving, and don't drive in low visibility. In a collision, passengers unrestrained by a seatbelt are propelled forward with a force equal to the weight of an elephant. The Safe Journey Management Plan is for your safety. Never drive in fog. Always wear your seatbelt in the front and back seats.